Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about scope of public finance. Now let's try to meaning of scope of public finance. In brief, you know very well scope means possibility to do or deal or area or subject matter. So here scope of public finance means area where public finance work or the point which are the subject matter of public finance. Let's start. Public expenditure, public revenue, public debt, financial administration, and the federal finance. These are the area of public finance or scope of public finance. Public expenditure. In a previous time, state play a role as a police state. So, state have to perform only defense or provide facilities of defense. They have to protect citizen of a country only. A least role of government in economy. But nowadays, state work as a welfare state. So state have to perform many welfare activities and it require public expenditure. So it's a scope of public finance. Second one is public revenue. To do expenditure, it is necessary government must have revenue sources. And government has two types of revenue source: taxable revenue and non-taxable revenue. In taxable revenue, we can divide it into direct tax and the indirect tax. Direct tax means the burden of tax cannot be shifted on other or another person. That's called indirect tax. For example, income tax, wealth tax, etc. Indirect tax means the tax which burden can be shifted on another person. For example, sales tax. It should be paid by producer, but producer transferred it to the consumer. Ultimately, consumer have to pay indirect taxes or sell tax. Okay. Now, non-taxable revenue also, fees, penalties, income of public sector unit, these are the non-taxable revenue for the government. Public debt. When expenditure are more than income, in that condition, government have to take a loan and it is known as public debt. Now, there are different types of public debt: internal sources or external sources of public debt. On that basis, we can classify public debt into two parts: internal public debt, external public debt. When government take a loan from citizens or within the country, then it is part of internal debt. And when government take a loan or borrow money from outside the country, it's a part of external debt. Then we can classify public debt in another two parts: productive and unproductive. Productive means when public debt used for productive purpose, and unproductive debt means public debt used for unproductive purpose. We will discuss these all points in detail in lecture. Planned and unplanned debt. Okay? And then after federal finance. Federal finance. Country like India, we have a three-layer system: central government, state government, and local bodies. So, income source are distributed among central and state government, and both the government have to do expenditure. So, these source should be distributed equally among central and state government, and for that, in our country, we have finance commission. Finance commission. Federal finance means the system where income source or responsibilities are distributed among central and state government according to constitution. Okay, that's a part of federal finance. Then financial administration, government have to do administration, government have to manage different activities of the state, and they are the part of financial administration. Thank you very much.